What's up, everyone? As always, your reliable local company, Appliance Fix Lab, is here with you today. Represented by me, your technician Evgen from the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Today, the camera lens is focused on a Samsung refrigerator repair call right on the border of two Winnipeg neighborhoods, Charleswood and Tuxedo. Reason for the service call: the Samsung refrigerator model RF26J7500SR is warm inside the fridge compartment while the freezer is still cooling properly. I start with a visual inspection. Temperature readings show that the refrigerator is only slightly cooler than room temperature, not enough for safe food storage. Meanwhile, the freezer temperature is within normal range. After opening the compressor compartment, I found the radiator covered in dust. I used a vacuum cleaner to remove the dust and confirmed that all components were in good condition. Next, I moved on the freezer compartment. I dismantled the freezer door, removed the protective cover with the fan motor and inspect all the components. Everything tested fine. Then I checked the refrigerator compartment. After removing the shelves, I discovered that the air ducts was partially blocked by ice. Using a steam generator, I defrosted and dismantled the duct. Behind it, I found the main cause of the refrigerator issue. Heavy ice built up on the evaporator. With the steam generator, I carefully defrosted all the components, confirmed they were working properly, and removed excess ice and moisture. Once both compartments were clean and dried, I reinstalled all the internal parts. Success! The Samsung refrigerator repair was completed, and the appliance is back to normal operation. That wraps up today's service call. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe to Appliance Fix Lab's YouTube channel. We post new videos about appliance repair and maintenance in Winnipeg, Toronto, and surrounding areas. Click subscribe, hit like, and stay tuned for more professional repair tips. Together, we can fix any problem, whether you are in Winnipeg or Toronto. See you soon. Bye bye.